Good afternoon, everyone. This is Freddy. I'm pretty sure you're asking why should we hire Freddy and his team, knowing there's many companies out there. So that's a great question, and I would love to share with you guys why. So if that's possible. So there's many great companies out there. I'm amazed how much great work they do out there. So I cannot recommend more than anybody else to try other companies. But let me just share with you guys why Freddy. So this is about five, almost 6 years ago, I started my own business. And this is the reason I started my business, is just because I love building beautiful things. I love building kitchens, bathrooms, renovating basements. And the only one of the many reasons is that I love to build beautiful stuff so people can create their memories, can really build their memories on those spaces. For example, in the kitchen, I want to make sure in the kitchen there's going to be mom cooking for their kids, husband and wife enjoying the space. It's really building memories in the space, and that's one of the main reasons I started my own business, because I want able to put a little bit of our talent to make sure that the space is spotless, so they can really focus on enjoying the space more than worry about the grout lines are not great, or the kitchen are twisted, or the cabinets are twisted. So we want to really be detailed in those areas to make sure you guys will really enjoy and you have create memories. And also, just talking a little bit about me, is that I come from woodworking family. My grandfather was a woodworker, and also he used to build houses. He was a general constructor. I'm sorry. So I started this since I was 8 years old, watching my grandfather how he used to build furniture, build houses, fix things. I'm sorry. And also my uncle has a woodwork shop. So very much that's what I started doing, the furniture, and that's about 20 something years back. So then I get to move to this country. Now I'm doing this over 20 years, and I love what I do. It's just seeing this house, how beautiful the house, the trim work, what it brings. Like, this house is 150 years old. So all the trim work, all the detail work on it, it was built back then, and they're trying to preserve that and bringing up the beauty. In this case, my grandfather could do something like this. Obviously, he was not in this country. It just make me feel good. It make me feel that we can put a little bit of love to bring the old to the new era. At the same time, enjoy it. Homeowners can enjoy this type of houses. Just this is a plaster walls. All the trim work is about 150 years old, if it's not more. The construction of the house and everything, just it tells you a story about how it was done back then. I don't know if that was convincing to you. I hope I can convince you, but I'm not willing to convince you. I just want to share with you guys who is Freddy and a part of my team. Same thing with my team. They're well trained, and they have passion about what we do. Did I answer that question, Anthony?
Yeah, that was really good.
Any other question you have for me that I should help clients to understand a little more about our company?
So what are your goals with the company, like in the future?
That's a great question, Anthony, and I think I would love to share this with you guys. So the goals are bring more value to the clients, make the things right. We want to make it once and make it right. Make sure everybody has the option to choose and make things are good and well done, so they don't have to worry about have to fix things. You just do it once, do it right, and they can enjoy the spaces. They can enjoy creating memories, as I said in the beginning, so they can really enjoy with their family more than worry about, the plumbing it's a problem, or cabinets are not installed properly, or anything else. So you're just trying to make it right, so you guys can really enjoy the spaces. At the end, build memories.